बहुत सारा मेहंदी. Okay, चल, let's start. Do you think we need like a
Stand.
yeah?
You can buy it in Indore, no problem.
Uy.
Let's start with the vlog for the road trip.
And if you Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and I'm saying this after a long time. It's been a journey. पूरा एक साल के बाद में I'm coming back and saying these words on the camera, which feels really great to me. And the difference 1 year back was that I did not had this in my neck, and I'm suddenly married and on the channel again. But that is a whole another story. That I guess I and Nikhil, probably my husband.
I cannot look at you guys because I'm driving. So
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So that the story of how we met and what happened in the year, if all of that will be covered. But uske pehle, let's watch this vlog. So this is like 3rd, 4th day after our marriage.
You have started forgetting the date already. It's 5th day.
27, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 28th, 4th day.
This is 27th.
5th day. This is 4th, 5th day of our marriage, and we got bored sitting at home. So we just thought, like, why not take a road trip to Indore? So here we are. I and Nikhil are going to Indore, and we are super excited to try a lot of food. Chhappan Dukan, which he has actually visited Indore before, and when we were dating, he was like, Aisha, we need to go to Indore. I need to take you to Indore. So Nikhil, तेरा सपना पूरा हो रहा है. How do you feel?
मेरा सपना उसी दिन पूरा हो गया जिस दिन I married you. So all the rest is just a top up.
Are you guys ready for all these cliche dialogues throughout my journey now? You have to be. So yeah, what was he saying, Nikhil? Nikhil, yaar, you are like too much, yaar. Too much.
The road is like that. What can I do?
बाद में बात करेंगे.
Road मैंने थोड़ी बनाया है.
Nikhil, search for McDonald's. I've had a lot of.
How can I search for McDonald's while I'm driving? You can do it, na?
While you're, I'm a passenger princess, yaar.
ओव्हर होत आहे आता. गुपचाप सर्च करा आणि मला सांग.
निखिल, मी काय सर्च करू यार? इकडे रस्त्यामध्ये आहे का तरी पण तुम्हाला सांग.
असेल. ऑब्वियसली वी आर गोइंग टू इंदोर. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू एनी अजीब गरीब प्लेस. मैकडे बोल के मैं इसको लेके आया यहाँ पे. Guys, learn the trick. Go desi.
But we are going to go Mac.
I'll have coffee. You can have burger.
Pavda.
So this vada pav is here.
It's
You
not
can
vada
see-
pav.
It's pav vada, sorry. So the pav vada is here. You can see the pav is stuffed with little bit of bhaji. And I usually like to have it with the misal ka tari because it looks amazing and it tastes delicious as well. Fluffy.
टक्के का भाजी है उसमें, वड़ा पाव का 1 टक्का भाजी.
But it tastes amazing.
When did we left, Nikhil? Around?
11
And what is the time right now?
to 12.
We left around 11. The time right now is 2:12, and we are still searching for McDonald's. We did not get McDonald's, and I have not had anything till now, except for that pav vada, which had barely tusa bhaji. It had. We've reached Indore. Yeah, so we have reached Indore now. We are finding one C21 mall. तो map again वाकड़ा तिकड़ा रास्ता दिखा रहा है, but we are still going with Nikhil's instinct, and we will And also we have to figure out our stay, by the way, for tonight. But my first agenda is like Nikhil is giving me options about good stays. Like let's go here. Oh my god, Nikhil, what is this? Like let's go here, let's go there. But right now, my first priority is go watch Indore Palace. I am really excited to go there.
लिंबू टाकायचं त्याच्यावर. हाँ डाल दो, आपके हिसाब से बनाओ यार.
Hi guys, I've quickly changed into a sweatshirt. Like बहुत बसड़ मची actually. We came here unplanned and हमको पता नहीं था कि where we are going to book our hotel. So we went to one regular place where Nikhil and family used to always stay, but that was like all sold out. So कुछ करके we just booked one place. We've not even checked in there. So wherever we went, पहले वाले hotel में, I just changed into a very comfy sweatshirt and my jeans and all of that. And now we are visiting Rajwada Palace. बहुत ही extra traffic है यहाँ पे, and we have no idea how we are going to reach there on time. I think it closes around 7:30. 7:30. And right now it is 4:30, 5:30.
5:05.
Yes. So right now it is 5:05 and I'm tensed. I really want to see the palace. I'm a person who's very fond of palaces and museums.
Tomorrow we'll be going to Sona.
Yeah.
जानवर देखने के लिए. पता है.
And the whole vlog is in the car only, Nikhil. We've not vlogged anything outside the car.
It's a new category in vlogs that we are inventing. Car vlogs. There must be a category already, but yeah, still. We have arrived here and यहाँ पे ना एक paid parking type है, so we really wanted like a paid parking thing, but the parking is so weird. एकदम sharp turn है जिसमें से गाड़ी निकालने में थोड़ा सा problem हुआ, but now Nikhil has parked it very nicely. Where is it? Yeah. And now we are all set to go. I really need a rubber band to tie my hair. There will be a light show. I think what I have seen on YouTube, most of these walls get lightened up.
Lighten up, yeah. So let's wait for that. What we'll do is like we'll enter first. I really want to see the interior also, the infrastructure.
Let's get a guide also. I wanna.
No guide.
I wanna know the story of the people.
Read there, na. Read. They've given it to you. Chal. First floor wala thing, I think is like a hall, like whatever I have seen in YouTube videos only. We are yet to explore it, so we'll go on the first floor and let's see what it is. I am a extreme fan of all of this palaces, and it just feels so nice. Feels like a princess, which I'm not, but
Monjolika vibes, guys.
shut up.
Monjolika vibes.
See, it is said that the first three are built of stones and उसके ऊपर का are built by the wooden thing. So if you see, 1 to 3 is like stone वाला building और उसके ऊपर that is wooden वाला building.
Say it again. इस झूमर के नीचे मिलेगी शांति प्रिया की लाश. Learn the dialogues first.
No, listen. This is the courtyard wherein I'll dance on Alvela Sajan Ayore, and you come from there without a mastani. We are here in Sarafa Gali. We are going to have hot dog.
Yeah. And I saw they are serving hot dog like a dabeli.
Actually, we came here because there was written like hot dog लिखा है तो हम लोग इसलिए आए. Let's see how it tastes.
So this is the hot dog of Indore, Sarafa Gali. They have added chole and one tikka, I believe. So chole tikki hot dog.
Save and a lot of chutney.
It's safe pav of Pune, bro.
Enu. Let's try. It's hot. It's nothing like hot dog, but it's really yummy. It is indeed really yummy.
जो भी है बढ़िया है.
जो भी है बढ़िया है.
मैंने ना थोड़ा खोल के देखा इसको अंदर. It's nothing but जो अपना what is it right? अपना छोले के साथ मिलता है.
रगड़ा पैटिस.
रगड़ा पैटिस. रगड़ा पैटिस रहता है ना, रगड़ा पैटिस पाव के अंदर डाला हुआ है. Nothing else. Yeah, I have been a fan of Chappan Dukan, but sorry guys, you don't get this taste and quality in Chappan Dukan. You have to come to Sarafa Gali, Joshi Vade Wale to have.
Try.
We just had. I know you guys have already seen it.
Amazing food of our life.
Amazing. Like our mind is blown right now with whatever
I'm
the
completing
test
your
we had.
sentences.
Yeah, I know. So, and मैं अभी बता भी नहीं सकता हूँ कि क्या बढ़िया लग रहा है. जो भी था ना, एक टेस्ट रह गया है तीनों चीजों का.
Amar taste, as he calls it.
It's like unforgettable. You cannot forget this taste that you have. Similar something like that I had in, Bhilwara Kachori. Amazing kachori it was. Then many things you just remember for last.
दही खिचड़ी.
दही खिचड़ी नहीं है.
Please एक बार try कर लेते हैं. Chili, chips, a lot of farsan, dahi, oh, and there's kaju also. Let's try.
ये वही दुल्हन है जो 3 महीने से डाइटिंग कर रही थी. Sweet tooth person.
I'm all tooth person.
I don't like sweet that much.
I can eat everything. Hi guys, we just checked in into our hotel and it's right now 10:30 p.m. So we were just like roaming all around, roaming Sarafa Gali, and it was amazing. Beautiful food, beautiful people, and loved it. Like for the first time as a Mumbaiker, I have seen that people are selling a lot of sweets on streets. हम लोग के यहाँ पे मोस्टली रमज़ान के टाइम पे ये मैंने बहुत देखा है, बट ऐसे नॉर्मल डेज पे आई हैव नॉट सीन प्रॉब्ली. सो लाइक इफ आई हैव सीन इट्स वेरी रेयर. ओके, यहाँ पे सराफा गली में आई हैव सीन इट एवरीवेयर. पीपल वर सेलिंग गाजर का हलवा, मूंग दाल का हलवा. आई एट मालपुआ एंड रबड़ी एंड इट वॉज यम्मी. द फूड वॉज एक्सट्रीमली यम्मी. I loved my day today in Indore. So yes, I'm very happy. So I think we have just decided, I and Nikhil have decided to stay one day more and explore the city more. So tomorrow's plan is that we are going to go to the zoo. And which ways we were going to do, we were going to go. And which ways we were going to go to the zoo tomorrow. And then we were supposed to leave for home. But now, what are we going to do? We are just going to go to the zoo, visit the Kaj Mahal, and explore the city a little bit more, and then probably leave day after tomorrow for home. So yes, right now we are very tired. Nikhil is very busy, extremely busy in watching his IPL auction, and I am just quickly going to remove my makeup. I barely have anything on my skin actually. I just have kajal. That's it. So I'll just put it.